Hey there. So, I am actually sitting in my car on my laptop waiting for my son's school to get out. And I normally use this time to work on something real quick. And I decided to film this super quick little tutorial or this little tip because I don't think, well, not don't think, I don't really see this much. This particular tip I'm going to give you will really elevate your digital products or ebooks rather. So if you have table of contents in your ebook, so for example, I have some here. This is what you're going to do. We are going to make these clickable. So that way your customer, once they purchase, they don't have to scroll through and find these parts. So let's say someone grabs this and they're like, okay, I want to go through and talk about or see what she's teaching about community over competition. So instead of having to scroll and find it through 43 pages, she can just click this and go straight to it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we're going to do the first one where it says let's get started. I'm going to double click in here. I'm going to select all. I'm going to copy it. Then we're going to go and look at all the pages. Let's find the let's get started page. And then you're going to scroll up to where it says page title. We're going to copy that. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Let's undo. Come on. So we're going to take that and we're going to name it let's get started. Now let's go back to our table of contents. Now we're going to link this. So you're going to click here. So you have your box, do your three dots and go down to link. Now you're going to link. You can either type in let's get started or let's get that off the screen. Well, if you type that in, it'll pop right up, but it is not. Okay, let's do it another way. Let's just scroll. So if you just scroll, you'll see a part that says pages in this document. Sorry. Pages in this document. And then you'll find that page. See how all of them are untitled? That's because we have not titled them yet. So if we click there and leave everything else the same, click done, it now is a link. And then what I like to do is I will move up my table of contents. I will then put a little box up under here and let them know for your convenience, you can click each title to be taken to that chapter. So now we're going to make this smaller and we're going to change it. I want to do and there you go. You're done. So now when a person downloads this, they can click here and they will be taken straight to that page. The only way I can show you is if I downloaded it and then clicked it, but obviously I'm not going to download this whole thing and I'm not done with it yet. So that is what you do. You're going to click here, you're going to name your page, and then you're going to link it to that specific page. Hope this helps someone.